How to add an account on Threads, a quick and easy guide. Want to manage multiple accounts on the Threads app? You can. Here's how to do it. Open the Threads app. Tap the profile icon to go to your profile. I'm currently logged into just one account. To add a new account on Threads, press and hold the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Click on the Add Profile button to proceed. Ensure you're logged into Instagram. If you have several Instagram profiles, choose the one you want to link to Threads. Tap on the selected profile. Wait a moment, then decide on the profile type. Select Public Profile if you want everyone to see, share, and interact with your content. Choose Private Profile if you want your content to be visible only to your followers. I'll choose Private Profile. Hit the Continue button to move forward. Here, you can follow Instagram accounts individually. If you want to follow all of them, tap the Follow All button, which I'll do now. Learn more about how Threads works by reading the provided information. Tap the Join Threads button. You've successfully added a Threads account. Tap the profile icon again to see that you're now on a new Threads profile. Now you can use the Threads app with multiple accounts. To add more profiles, just repeat the process. Thank you for following and enjoying our content. For more digital updates, subscribe to our channel.